If you are struggling to achieve a top GMAT math score, you need to listen to this. You are so busy building your career, you don't have enough time to study for the GMAT. If GMAT math is giving you a big headache, this is the magic solution for you. Take this opportunity to score an excellent 49 to 51 points on the math in the shortest amount of time, just like 70% of our students. We provide the world's most revolutionary solutions for the GMAT math. Just use our unique, never-before-seen variable approach for DS questions and Ivy approach for PS questions. This is the easiest, fastest, and most accurate way of solving the GMAT math problems. Don't worry, although your math skills are poor, we provide easy-to-learn, easy-to-use approaches. Your current math skill level doesn't matter. You will learn the most effective time management secrets. Imagine having 10 minutes to spare before the end of the exam. You will be able to solve most questions in 30 to 60 seconds, and even harder questions in 2 minutes or less. In our on-demand course, we provide over 100 hours of lessons and 3,000 questions. Live online and private tutoring are also available. We guarantee the highest score in the GMAT prep courses. If not, we will refund your money. Come and join us. Visit our website at www.mathrevolution.com.